Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board, guys. Let's rock. Good day, folks. A good day. Yes, yes. Rock and roll. Buff away. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, you are just going to love next videos that follow this. You're just going to love them. All right, rock and roll. Hey, good morning, guys. Wow, we've got a bit of action at the launch pad. Yes. How to move a boat, Greek style. We've got one coming out here, a big rib. That's all feel. That's it. The engine's gone in the boot and the boat's on the top of the car. How cool is that? I'm hoping he's going to actually rope it down as well.
I'm so tired of crying.